Hey y'all, welcome back to MathRescue. I'm Andre and I make content to take away the stress of learning math. In this video, we're going to use the change of base formula so you can rewrite any logarithm into a form your calculator can definitely handle. Take a deep breath, we're going to take it slow, break it down step by step, and make this process feel as easy as possible. Let's talk about it. All right, so we have this logarithm. This is log base 3 of 14. So 3 is the base of the logarithm. 14, we call that the argument of the logarithm. The argument is the value that's getting evaluated by the log function. Now, I love the change of base formula. It's one of my favorite ones because it is so intuitive. So here's my process for using it. So I like to start with writing a fraction bar. I'm getting some lag here on my OneNote. So I like to start with writing a fraction bar. Then what I do is I grab the thing on top, and that becomes its own logarithm. And then we grab the thing on the bottom, and that becomes its own logarithm. Now, the whole idea behind the change of base formula is that once we put things into the change of base formula, we can make the base whatever we want. So, of course, right now, because the base is invisible, that implies that it's the common log, aka base 10. But if I wanted to, I could also make this base e to make it the natural log. If I wanted to, I could also do something random. I could make it base 72. The only thing that matters with this change of base formula is that whatever you change the base to, it has to be the same for the top and the bottom. So I'll just go ahead and leave it as the common log. The main reason that this formula is useful for knowing is because not every single calculator could do bases outside of base 10. Most calculators are stuck on base 10. And so you have to use the change of base formula in order to even be able to enter it. This is how it looks once it goes into a calculator. So this is me. This is how I put it into the Desmos scientific calculator. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. I post videos regularly. My goal is to make you feel super confident in math. See you in the next one.